this video, I will show you how to redact a page from PDF file. Let's click on the file to open. Then to redact a page, click on Tool. Then in Protect and Standardize group, there is a Redact section. Click on down arrow to open. Click on Open. Then you can click on the down arrow. Then you can redact page, find text and redact and properties. So I am going to show you about reducting a page. Click on redact page. It is asking for the further option. Mark current page for reduction or mark a specific range for reduction. Let it be a current page. Then you can see it has been reducted. This basically means it will black out the page so that we won't be able to see the sensitive information. You can see in the rest of the pages the information is same. Only current page has been blacked out. Then click on apply. It is saying that if you redact any page or piece of information, you won't be able to retrieve it again. So click OK. It is asking for you to save. Then save it by name RK1 reducted. Click on save. Then close this. Then close this. Now open this reducted file. You can see the first page has been reducted completely. Now sensitive information cannot be shared from first page using this file. So you can share this file to anyone safely.